This is an awesome blue. Check it out. Look. Welcome to Pure Octane Garage. I'm Ryan.
Brandon over here. What are we bringing them today?
Detailing information and other automotive goodness.
Stuff.
And other stuff.
and stuff.
So yeah, this is going to be a quick tip, right?
Yep, quick tip video. We're not actually really doing much in the way of a product here. We're going to show you, obviously, using products to do, well, I'll just say it. We're taking care of bugs on a windshield.
Yeah.
Road trips.
Road trip.
This is where this came into play for me. Driving home from Louisiana to Phoenix, and had a lot of bugs on the windshield.
Oh yeah.
And that's gross down there. That's like the southern, bugs. We hit a thing of bees everywhere.
Really?
Yeah, it's gross. So I was like,
bees.
I need to get that windshield cleaned off. Pulled off into a Walmart because I know they have detailing products. That's
Yeah.
the one place you can count on. It's gonna have something probably to take care of what you need. So they had this for like $3, a bug sponge. It's
Okay.
pretty. I mean, I don't know if you guys here. It's not the softest thing, but that's what you want for your windshield. It's not terrible.
It's not soft, but it's not rough.
Yeah. Take from that what you will.
I'm sure you guys have seen these.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, pretty common thing. But just dedicate one. What my thought here is dedicate you some good window cleaner. Hey, real quick shout out to Glovebox RX. We love their bottles and their great window cleaner too.
Yeah, and you just bought more, didn't you?
Yeah, I got that, and then another video is coming up with some more stuff.
Love their bottles. Anyway.
And just get yourself any microfiber rag to clean your windshield off. You're just trying to get this done so you can get back on the road, not have bug guts in your face.
Yeah, and you don't want to use like a service station squeegee with the scrubber on the end.
That dirty water.
You don't, yeah.
How torn is it usually sometimes? And
Yeah, and pretty gross.
So you have your own.
So bring your own. That's a great tip. You've got kind of a buggy windshield over
We're
here.
going to go,
We'll just
show you how to clean a buggy window in case you didn't know.
quick demo.
Just to show you what we're saying. All right, let's go over to the car and we'll wrap this up. As you can see, we've got some bugs on this windshield, right? So all we're going to do, spray some glass cleaner on there. Set that down. And you just scrub with your mitt. See? Look at that.
Bugs be gone, right?
Ooh, it smells good. That
it does.
Smells good.
Brandon was telling me when he was using that it really kind of lathers up.
Yeah, see that lather?
The window cleaner.
I got a little bit on the paint there,
we
but
go.
that's okay. But there you go, guys. Look, you got your rag. You clean the bugs off. This is just to get you back on the road.
But yeah,
a lot of reflection. We're in the garage.
but that big bug that was right there in the middle is gone.
There's some chips in the windshields. Yeah. Actually, a lot of them. It's one of those windshields, Bronco Jeep windshield.
Like right there.
But there you go. It's that easy. Just keep that on you. So if you don't already, keep a thing of glass cleaner, bug scrubber sponge, rubber scrubber.
Yeah,
sponge,
in that detail kit, I've got a duffel bag that I use, a small duffel bag, that I keep with all the essential detailing products.
And for those trips, guys, for those trips.
So yeah.
That's it. That's easy. We appreciate you guys. If you like it, subscribe, thumbs up. We'll see you around until the next one.
All right. Cool. See you guys later.
Later.
Thanks.
Hey, it matches.
Does match.
Oh, yeah.
It's a big fly.